Gusto kong i-share sa inyo ang post ni Crisette Laureta Chu tungkol sa mga men and women in uniform. Sabi ni Crisette, nagsisimula ng magalit sa pangyayari sa ating gobyerno. Ito, posted 20 hours ago. Sabi niya, the beginnings of anger from men in uniform. Some even saying, I can repost their posts kahit walang takip sa mukha. Ang request ko lang sa lahat, please remember which politician is the main instigator. He is the one behind the political persecution of PRRD and Sara. The ICC is here according to multiple sources because he invited them all. He will burn this country to the ground so he can rule over the ashes. Okay, so ito, ipinost ni Crisette Laureta yung message ng sundalo sa kanya. Sabi niya, yung sundalo, active na sundalo ito. Sabi niya, Ma'am, KLC, isali mo ko dyan. Kahit di mo natakpan mukha ko, ipaglalaban ko si Tatay Digong ng patayan. Grabe. Mabuti na lang at tinakpan ni Crisette Laureta Chu ang mukha ng sundalo. Pinost niya dito. Yan, tinakpan niya. Delikado ang sundalong ito. Hindi, siguro mainit pang dugo ng sundalong ito baga bagong pasok. Bawal po sa mga active soldiers or policemen ang makisama sa mga ganitong ano. But wala kang magagawa eh. Yung mga tao rin yan eh. Magpapahayag ng kanilang saloobin. Nanonood yan sa social media, lalo na yung kay Maharlika. Maraming active and retired men and women in uniform nanonood kay Maharlika. Plus kami na rin mga ibang vloggers. So ano sila, politically aware sila kung anong nangyayari sa ating bansa. So, grabe, ipaglalaban ko si Tatay Digong ng patayan. So, wag mo na, iho. Kawawa ka, wag kang ano. I advise sa mga men and women in uniform na kalmado lang kayo, wag ano. Okay, so itong post ni Crisette Laureta Chu, idugtong ko na sa post ni retired Major General Romeo B. Puquis. Ito ang sabi niya, corruption, military solution in the making. Kaliwat kanan na, na halos hindi na masawata. Na even ang ating Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Secretary Juan Ponce Enrile, nag-post na sabi niya, ngayon lang nangyari to, weird na ang isang concrete bridge blown away by a typhoon. So, somebody has become rich. Something is wrong. Sabi niya sa kanyang post 2 days ago. Something is wrong. May yumayaman dito. So, napapansin na ng karamihan yung corruption sa all levels of government. So, ito yung sinasabi ni General Puquis. Pag hindi masawata ang korupsyon, darating ang panahon, according to this general, ang mga sundalo gagalaw. O basahin ko ang kanyang post ha. Corruption is so pervasive in and out of government, it is now a normal occurrence. It was even institutionalized by Congress through pork barrel allocation, congressional insertions, liquidation by certification, kickbacks, bribery, etc. It is evolving into a culture and very soon a national security problem. Worse, it is turning into a national menace destroying the economic, social, and moral fiber of the country and people. On a daily basis, the people who give money to the government in the form of taxes are abused instead of being served. The government leaders who partake of the money for themselves and their families wallow in luxury while the people suffer and are left in the fringes of abject poverty. The dire situation is turning the suffering people hopeless and may soon crave for extreme measures. Hirap na ang taong bayan dahil sa korupsyon. At itong taong ito will resort to extreme, yung extraordinary measures. Ano yan? Ito na. An unsolicited advice, sabi ni General Poques, the commander-in-chief, meaning the president, must put his feet firmly on the ground and intently listen to the people. He must immediately undertake strong measures to stop corruption at all levels. I agree dito. Dapat magpakita ng Pangulo ng kanyang political will to stop corruption. Kung hindi, nako, what is the alternative for inaction? Sabi ni General Poques, kung hindi, walang political will ang gobyerno, tuloy pa rin ang corruption. If the situation worsens and reaches its breaking point, come the natural solution, the military, mga sundalo. So, nangyari na yan. Panahon ng Cory administration, dahil sa corruption, sa inefficiency, lahat na lang, napilitan yung series of 9 bloody kuditas. Nangyari na yan. Sana hindi na maulit dahil naranasan ko yan. It's not good. Sabi ni General Poques, hindi rin sana maganda. Sabi niya, the solution, yung military action, the solution may be harsh, deplorable, and unconstitutional. Bawal. But will be necessary and acceptable to protect the people. How? The AFP will declare withdrawal of support to the Commander-in-Chief or an officer like Captain Ibrahim Traoré of Burkina Faso will rise to the occasion to rescue the people. So ito, ni-research ko itong Captain Ibrahim Traoré, I think 2022, nag-lead ng uprising sa Burkina Faso at ito kahit maliit lang yung grupo niya dahil sa suporta ng mga tao, overwhelming people power, nanalo sila at na-depose yung existing government sa Burkina Faso. Then up to now, ito pa rin grupo ni Captain Ibrahim Traoré ang namumuno sa Burkina Faso. So, sana hindi mangyari ito sa ating bansa. Dahil walang mangyaring maganda kung ang military men in uniform ma-involve sa ganito. Tapos na po yung mga pangyayari nung panahon ng Cory administration, panahon ni na Gringo Honasan, Colonel Alexander Noble, maraming mga sana hindi maulit. May panahon pa. So, kailangan nito ngayon yung political will ng Pangulo para i-stop itong pangyari kasi kitang-kita Flood control projects. Pinagmayabang sa SONA, yun pala, wala ring kwenta. Ngayon, pinapak-check na tayo ng kalamidad. Grabe, kailan kaya matitigil? Instead na mag-focus sa pag-stop sa corruption at iba pang national concern, yung paglaban sa inflation, pataas-taas ng presyo, kawawa ang nasa laylayan sa mahal na bilihin, anong priority? ICC. Quadcom, paninira sa mga Duterte. Diyan sila magkakamali. Itong gusto nilang dugmukin, gusto nilang pulbusin ang mga Duterte. Diyan lalabas yung parang bulkan na sasabog ang galit ng taong bayan. At sana hindi na maulit yung kasaysayan natin, yung 9 bloody kudita, sana hindi na maulit. Kailangan kumilos na ang pamunuan ngayon to stop corruption at itong hindi magandang nangyayari sa gobyerno.